Hi everyone! So today I can't wait to show you guys how to make these red bean swirl breads. They actually use my milk bread recipe, and you can either use the sweetened canned adzuki bean paste or you can make your own. And it's super fun and easy how you make the swirls and how you put it together. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So like I said before, you can go to the store and get a can of sweetened red azuki bean paste, or you can make it yourself. So I have soaked 1 cup of red azuki beans overnight, and then afterwards I've basically cooked it with 3 cups of water and then right around, I'd say like 1 cup of sugar. You can add a little bit less depending on how sweet or unsweet you like it. And then I cooked it down a couple of hours before mashing it up with a spoon, skin and all, because I like it a little bit more textured. After which, you just take an ice cream scoop. You can divide this up into right around 8 balls. I know there's only 6 here. And then just stick it into the refrigerator just to kind of let it dry off ever so slightly. So this is my tried and tested milk bread recipe. I'm gonna link the video down below. It's really, really good, goes step by step, and it's absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna knead it for a few minutes, turn it into a log, and then divide this up into 8 balls. So those balls have rested for right around, I'd say like 15 to 30 minutes. And what you want to do is to just roll it out into kind of like a big disc. And you're going to fill it with one of these pretty large balls of red bean paste. And your main goal for this first round is to just seal everything, because later on we're going to roll it out into a nice long rectangle. So you don't want any of the filling to spill out. So gently does it, because on my first shot I kind of squished it and then all of the filling came out. So a little by little, and then what you want to do is take the rolling pin and then roll it out to right around a 9-inch by 6-inch rectangle. So I flipped it over to the side where the red bean does not show as much, and right now what I'm cutting are kind of these 1-inch slits, and it doesn't go all the way through, it's just that top layer. Now, time for the fun part. I'm gonna flip this over, and then starting from the bottom, I'm just going to roll out into kind of one big log. And then afterwards, I'm going to essentially turn it into like a donut, into a bagel shape. And then what I do at the ends is I just pinch everything together so that it forms a nice circle. So right before they go into a 350-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven, I'm going to brush the top with a little bit of vegan butter mixed with a little bit of sugar, and that will just help it brown a little bit better while it is in the oven. So you put these guys in right around 25 minutes in the oven until they come out just nice and brown. And the moment that you take them out, I usually brush it with a little bit more of the vegan butter just to give the breads a nice sheen and then to keep it also from over drying. And there they are, pretty as heck. I really love them just, from the red beans showing through, and it really gives you an idea of the different types of preparation that we can use with that milk bread recipe. And this one is just so creative, and it's so pretty. You can see that gorgeous swirl pattern inside as well as out, and it's lovely. If you do make your own red bean paste, you can really adjust for the sweetness, so just get it to that perfect level that you all like. Anyways, you all, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and that you enjoyed watching it. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!